I would call Commercial Service again if we have issues because they're responsive, they're very quick to come out here, and they're also good about scheduling, and I know they'll do a good job. My name is Tom Berry, and my wife and I, Leslie Berry, own Bloomington United Gymnastics and Soccer, and we're located in Bloomington, Indiana. Commercial Service has been around Bloomington for many years, so I've just known their name, and when I discovered they had a plumbing part of their business, we needed some work done here, and so we reached out to them. Commercial Service provided us great recommendations on toilets. They were super flexible with helping us get in on a busy schedule here at the gym with all the classes that we have going on, and so they came in and did it really fast. The toilets they recommended have not clogged since, and we've had those done 3 years ago. Commercial Service is reliable, and they've been giving us quality service, and as long as they do that, they'll have my business.